All right, guys, let's talk about the impact by Honeywell. HR810 thermal receipt printer. This bad boy is a high-performance printer made for businesses that need quick and reliable printing. It's got a bunch of cool features that make it perfect for all sorts of places like retail shops, restaurants, and even logistics companies. First off, let's talk about speed. This printer can whip out receipts at a lightning-fast rate of up to 260 mm. That's way faster than a lot of other thermal printers out there. Perfect for places that need to process transactions in a flash. Not only is this printer fast, but it's also tough. It's built to handle a ton of printing without breaking a sweat. The print head can last up to 150 kilometers, which means it can churn out thousands of receipts before needing any maintenance. And check this out, it's super easy to connect to different devices. You can hook it up to your computer, POS system, or even a mobile device using USB, serial, or Ethernet. So versatile! Plus, it's a breeze to use, with features like drop-in paper loading, an auto cutter, and status LEDs. Operating this printer is a piece of cake, and its compact and sleek design makes it a perfect fit for any retail or hospitality space. You can even mount it on the wall to save some space. And let's not forget about the extra features. This printer uses thermal printing technology for top-notch prints, has an easy paper loading system to keep things running smoothly, offers multiple connectivity options for easy integration, has a compact design for any setting, and can even be mounted on the wall to save space. So there you have it. The impact by Honeywell. HR810 thermal receipt. Printer is a reliable and versatile option for businesses looking to up their printing game. With its speed, durability, connectivity options, and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for any business looking to streamline operations and boost productivity. All right, who's ready to step up their printing game?